Imagine a world driven by data, where every innovation, every opportunity, and every decision is powered by data and its insights. This is not the future, guys, it's our reality. Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to WS Cube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jan, and in this video, we are going to talk about data analytics field, and also I have an amazing opportunity for you guys. According to the study, by 2025, the global data analytics market is going to hit by 22.8 lakh crores, which will increase the demand of data analytics jobs as well. Data analytics jobs are amongst the top careers with job satisfaction and growth opportunities as well. That's why a lot of companies are investing heavily in it. From Microsoft to Google and from Amazon to Apple, all the CEOs and founders are investing heavily in this field because they know that data is the future. And at WS Cube Tech, we know that data is the career. And that's why at WS Cube Tech, we have designed the most comprehensive data analytics mentorship program. Its first cohort has been a success, which had more than 70 plus aspirants coming from 11 plus states and over 8 countries, guys. From student to every working professional in this cohort believes that data is the career. And now it is your turn, guys. The applications of our second cohort is starting from 5th of August, and here are few key highlights of this program. Number 1 is live session, guys. Guys, you can access our program from anywhere and you'll get an experience of the live classes. Second, this cohort will be commenced completely in English so that you get the benefit in the job interviews when it is based on good communication skill sets as well. Third, in this cohort, you will be mastering the in-demand skills. We have designed this cohort in such a way that we have kept all the skills which is required to become a data analyst. Whether it is Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python, machine learning, or even artificial intelligence, we got you covered. Next is industry mentors. Learn directly from the top data analysts from companies like Amazon, Rapido, KPMG, and Microsoft. Next is industry recognized curriculum. We have designed this curriculum based on thousands of job descriptions and also after discussing with the top hiring managers as well, that will help you get an edge from the crowd. Not just that, our next key highlight is projects. In this cohort, we'll be covering more than 20 projects from companies like Myntra, Airbnb, Apple, and so many more. And last key highlight is placement grooming. We at WS Cube Tech will take charge of your placement and give you an end-to-end job assistant so that you get a high-paying data analyst job. So isn't that amazing, guys? So don't miss out this opportunity to future-proof this career because data is career. So if you want to become a top data analyst, then join this program today. There are only limited seats and the applications are starting from 5th of August. If you want to apply, you can find the link in the description or you can go to our website and apply now.